When Brian and I got together, we both had grown up in the church and in worship music. We both played in youth group and church camps. And so when I was 17 and he was 21 and we were in school, we led together.
I get a bunch of prophetic words about leading a movement of worship. Like, what is that even, you know? And building teams. So we had a worship school back then, which through the years morphed into what we now call WorshipU. It was kind of like a new frontier in worship. There was so much like excitement and wonder because you never knew what was going to happen.
When I was younger, if WorshipU would have existed, I would have flipped out because, I mean, all of the people that we've had and the people that are coming every year, the school gets more incredible and we're shocked every single year. Our staff are like, that was the best year yet. And then somehow it gets even better.
All the speakers, they're obviously they're world class. They're the best that they get around the world. But what you're getting from these videos is you're getting years of trial and error. It's called experience.
If you can't come to the school on campus, take it online. And even if you do come, still go online because of all the back catalog, and every minute we're adding more content to it.
WorshipU Online is a guide for worship leaders, songwriters, and musicians. We believe that discovering who you are is the key to becoming a thriving worship team. Your unique voice and sound is what the world needs. We want to see you step into your calling and be your guide along the way. So we developed an online worship school where we share what we've learned. Learn leadership skills, musical knowledge, and best practices from Bethel music worship leaders and musicians. With topic-specific courses, learn and grow with your worship team or at your own pace. Join an online community of worshipers from around the world